Problem is, the mail truck just went down the street, but it didn't stop anywhere. It's turning around, and my across-the-street neighbor figures maybe they'll stop for her since she can't get to any of the mailboxes. Oh yes, she's gonna. Nobody's gonna be out today doing anything except snow blowing. Oh, no mail. Yeah, she's not stopping anywhere yet. She's probably just scouting out what she needs to do. Yeah, we got about almost a foot, I would say. Pretty close. She's above her inner calves when she walks into that snow. So I would say a good 10 inches anyway. Still got no mail. Can you believe that shit?